Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. If you're planning a trip to Japan and landing at Kansai International Airport, this one's for you. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to claim the HARUKA Ticket Limited Edition KX using the Have Fun with Kansai Pass. It's a super convenient and budget-friendly way to travel from the airport into Osaka or Kyoto, but the process can be a bit confusing if it's your first time. So in this vlog, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from where to go, what documents you need, and what to expect. Let's get started. After arriving at JR West Kansai Airport Station, please proceed to the HARUKA e-ticket machine, located in front of the JR ticket gates. Please have the e-ticket for the HARUKA Ticket Limited Edition one-way that you received from your email ready in advance. When opening the e-ticket on your smartphone, please display the QR code. Also, please confirm that the ticket name is HARUKA Ticket Limited Edition KIX one-way. Please select a language from the top right corner of the HARUKA e-ticket machine screen. Press the Start button at the bottom right of the screen. Check the information displayed on the screen, then press OK. Review any additional information shown. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your QR code in front of the scanner. The screen will display the latest departure time. Please check both the departure and arrival times carefully. Please select the train you wish to take, then tap Print Train Ticket on the screen. Please collect your printed train ticket from the slot at the bottom of the screen. Then present your train ticket at the manned ticket gate to enter. Please find a seat in car number 8, as indicated on your train ticket. Car number 8 is a reserved seat car for the HARUKA Ticket Limited Edition one-way. And that's it, guys. That's how you claim your HARUKA Ticket Limited Edition KIX using the Have Fun with Kansai Pass. I hope this video made the process of claiming your HARUKA ticket one-way a little easier. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments. Safe travels! Got questions or need help with your Kansai trip? Drop a comment below, I'll do my best to reply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.